Hi guys, it's Preenam here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing for you this micellar water by Simple, and it's their Water Boost Micellar Cleansing Water. As you can see, I really like this one. I'm sort of halfway, or should I say a third through it. And I always really love this one. I always go back to it. You get a lot in here. You get 400 ml of product, and usually you can get this for about £3.50 to £4, depending on where you get it from, because sometimes it's on discount in certain places. So I usually grab this if I ever see it on offer. So I either use this micellar water, or I really love the Simple cleansing oil as well, either one of those two, as the first step of removing makeup. So I'll just show you what the actual top is like. Hope it doesn't sort of fall out. It's just a little hole at the top. So it really does help you sort of manage how much you're using. It's not just going to all sort of spill out everywhere. What I actually do is I put this in here, and this is like a little dispensing unit, so it's just got a little pump thing at the top. So what I basically just do is get a cotton pad, and then all I have to do is just sort of pump it a few times, and then the cotton pad is saturated. I think sometimes by pouring it out, it completely gets soaked, and I find it harder to take off makeup that way. I feel like you're just kind of rubbing a sort of wet cotton pad all over your face, and it's not actually doing what it needs to do. And I think by using the pump thing, it actually gives you enough that you need without wasting loads of product as well. So that's a really good tip. I actually got this one from Primark. I don't know if they still sell it, but it was only like £1 or something, but it's been so useful. And I'm really one of those people that loves convenience. Like, I hate having to, like, it's not even that hard to do, but I hate this whole like, oh, you know, kind of thing. So I'm just weird, aren't I, really? But I think that's quite a good tip, and I really love that dispensing thing. I think it's really great. So that's usually what I do. I'll, you know, get a little bit on here, and then I'll just obviously swipe away the main sort of makeup that I have on my face. And I usually find that's the best way for me to remove makeup. So I love using cleansing oil as well, but sometimes when I've got loads of makeup on, I don't like to use cleansing oil because I don't want to spread all of my eye makeup all over my face, which is why I usually love using micellar water for that reason. I can take the majority of my makeup off using this, and then I just follow that with cleansing oil or just my normal sort of face wash or cleanser, and I always do that. I always use my cleanser every single day. But this one in particular, it does say that you don't actually need to wash it off. Let's have a read here. So it says the Simple Water Boost Micellar Cleansing Water is specifically formulated for dehydrated, dry or sensitive skin. It gently yet effectively cleanses and removes makeup while also soothing and instantly rehydrating thirsty skin. Skin feels refreshed, supple and instantly more comfortable, and there's no need to rinse after. Now, I've had a look at the ingredient list, and I think it's, you know, it's a really minimal ingredient list, which is what I really love about products anyway. But I don't think that I would ever not wash my face after using this. I don't think just using a micellar water alone to take makeup off is going to be enough to actually get rid of all of that makeup from your skin, which is why I always wash my face after and using a cleanser. The ingredients that they use in here is meant to, you know, remove makeup. It helps dissolve some of that makeup and take it off your face. So leaving that on your skin, you know, is not really a great idea, and I think it can lead to sort of irritations as well. So personally, I just love to double cleanse and use a cream cleanser after. When I use this, I don't feel like my skin is dry. It does actually feel really hydrated and clean, which I've got to say is a really great thing. I have used micellar waters before, and I feel like my skin feels super tight after, and that's really, you know, I really hate that feeling. I also really like the NIVEA micellar water as well. I think that's a really great one, and you can also get that in a giant sort of container like this one. But I think it's really great value for money. Like, you're saving so much money by purchasing something that's going to last you a long time, and especially because it's so affordable as well. As I said, you can get this for £3 or £4 when it's on offer. I think usually it's about £6 or £7, which isn't really too bad, I don't think, considering it's going to last you quite a long time. But I really love this, and I think it is really great for sensitive skin. It doesn't have any irritating ingredients in there. It's not full of fragrance or anything like that. I think this one would be good for people who don't wear really heavy makeup. I think if you're going to wear a lot of makeup, this isn't going to be really the best one to take off all of that makeup. It's possibly a good first step, as I mentioned, but not something that's going to really take everything away with ease, especially if you wear really heavy eye makeup or waterproof mascara or eyeliner or things like that. You're going to struggle getting it off with this. So you might need to use another product, or as I mentioned, using an oil cleanser. The simple oil cleanser is fantastic, and that really works well with eye makeup. I'd say this one is probably great for people who don't like to wear tons and tons of makeup. I still think it's a really good all-rounder product, and it works really well for me. It's good for sensitive skin. I'd say it's probably good for all skin types. And do you know what? It's just one of those staples. It's just one of those basic products that does the job, essentially. And that's what I really like about it. I haven't really got too much to say about it, to be honest. It's pretty damn good. I will link this product down below for you in the description bar. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. And I really hope that you enjoyed this review. Please like and subscribe and all of that fun stuff, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks. Bye.